experiment consists of rolling an unbiased dice until the first 6 is observed. Let y denote the number of rolls needed. The PMF, probability mass function, of y is given by this formula. Is this a valid probability mass function? How do we check if this is a valid PMF? Here y defines from 1 to infinity. Therefore, we take the summation from 1 to infinity of this mass function, and if this summation is 1, we can say it is valid PMF. Probability mass function is given, so we can plug it. Here you see y goes from 1 to infinity. So how do we find this sum? You know infinite geometric sum. So you can apply this to our problem. But you need to make sure we have y goes from 0 to infinity. You see that is y goes from 0 to infinity ark, sum of ark, you can write a divided by 1 minus r. But in our case, we have y goes from 1 to infinity. How do we make it y equals 0 to infinity? Yes, you know 1 over 6 is constant, so you can take it out from the summation, and I put k equal y minus k 1. Then we can write 1 over 6, k goes from 0 to infinity, 5 over 6 power k. Now you see k equal y minus 1. Now you can apply infinite geometric sum, that is a 1 minus r. What is the a here? A is 1 over 6, r is 5 over 6. So you can apply it, then it is 1. Therefore, we can say the probability mass function Py is valid.